Okay, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bertman, the creator of Crystal H Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. This is our new screen paint, which will be launching tomorrow. Now, keep in mind the screen paint will be available in 2 quarts and 1 gallon containers. 2 quarts will come with a blackout cloth that is 5 by 10, and 2 gallons will come with a blackout cloth that's 10 by 20. So just showing up how amazing this screen is. Look at this. Fully lit environment is using Smart Technology Gain ×9. We're using this on a 720p projector only and a fully lit environment. Now, sorry if I haven't done any video demonstrations in a while. Yesterday we have a mass order that came in for one of our contracts for the TI-47. We have been pumping that stuff out all day yesterday. Now I can get back to the new screen, which will be launching tomorrow. This is a new screen paint. If you're curious to see what the demonstration looks like on painting this screen, I'll post it at the bottom of the comment section. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Thank you all for watching.